We are today introducing an innovative factory concept for molded packaging, Hartmann RoboPlant. This is the result of the combined know-how and expertise of Hartmann for the processing machinery and ITEL project for the robotics and the automated logistics. We start from the end of the molding line, where Hartmann is quality controlling piece by piece, through an artificial vision device, the quality parameters of the products, the correct shape, the material consistency, and the overall dimensions. The checked products are put together in piles, counted, weighted, and collated in a layer of 4 piles in the strapping station. Once strapped, our robotic palletizer, FlexiPal, places it on the pallet. In this way, the robot will stack 4 layers of products, forming a stable and firm pallet. No containers are required for inter-operational stocking. The support for such operation is an industry-standard plastic pallet with an embedded ID code for batch traceability. This provides a significant cost reduction. The internal pallets handling within Hartmann RoboPlant is performed by a laser-guided vehicles fleet, LGV. The LGV brings the entire pallet in the appropriate destination. If the pallet is loaded with trays or neutral egg bags, it goes to the final wrapping station, then directly to the shipment buffer. If the pallet is loaded with egg bags to be printed, it goes to the inter-operational buffer, IOB. The IOB is a multi-depth channels warehouse with automatic stacker cranes and radio shuttles. The egg bags to be printed are automatically handled by the stacker crane to the edge of the appropriate channel. The radio shuttle moves the pallet inside the channel, creating a first-in, first-out line, so that different production batches are associated with different IOB channels. In this specific factory configuration, the buffer is organized with a matrix of 224 channels. Each channel can contain up to 16 pallets, making a total IOB capacity of 3,584 pallets, corresponding approximately 2.5 production weeks. Obviously, the IOB configuration can be adapted case by case. The output side of the IOB consists of another automatic stacker crane that retrieves the pallets to be addressed to the printing area. In such a way, the sequence of pallets corresponding to the printing schedule is created. Two printing lines are fed by one FlexiDepal robotic depalletizer. In this phase, the layer strap is cut and the single piles are sent to the printing lines. The empty pallets are stacked and sent back to the IOB. They will eventually be brought by an LGV to the molding palletizing cell, or, after a certain number of cycles, sent to the cleaning station, then back to the palletizing cell. At the end of the 2 printing lines, each pile of printed products will be bundled with straps. The final palletizing cell will prepare the customer's pallets with the optimum pattern for maximum stability. The finished pallet is then automatically wrapped and labelled. Then it reaches the input gate of the shipment buffer, where also the trays and the neutral egg bags are brought directly from the moulding area. The shipment buffer is a multi-depth channels warehouse with automatic stacker cranes and radio shuttles. The customer's pallets are automatically handled by the stacker crane to the edge of the appropriate channel. The radio shuttle moves the pallet inside the channel, creating a customer order line, so that different customers' orders are associated with different shipment channels. In this specific factory configuration, the shipment buffer is organized with a matrix of 36 channels. Each channel can contain up to 12 pallets, making a total shipment buffer capacity of 432 pallets, corresponding approximately to 13 trailers. Obviously, the shipment buffer configuration can be adapted case by case. The big advantage given by this shipment buffering system is to optimize the printing line scheduling, minimize the setup lost time. In fact, the printing schedule is not directly linked to the delivery schedule. On the output side of the shipment buffer, the LGV will manage the trailer loading operation. It brings the customer order pallets from the appropriate channel and creates the trailer loading sequence. In some cases, the LGV can directly load the trailer.